I'm just going to give my opinion about something. Yesterday we were cycling and we saw another accident where one of the people driving a bike delivering food was hit by a car. And yeah, I'm in two minds about it, and maybe everybody can give their opinions about this. COVID started and people started getting deliveries for their groceries. And the people with the bikes came and they load it and they deliver it. Now everything gets done. You get medicine like that, you get pizza like that, you get food from all the supermarkets like that, and it's become a business and it employs thousands and thousands and thousands of people, which on the surface might look like a good thing. I do, however, worry about safety. I don't know if these drivers of these bikes, of these motorcycles are trained well enough. I don't know. If I look at the amount of accidents I see every week and every month about, wherever you drive, you see an accident here, somebody's hit here, there's the bike lying, there's the person lying, some of them are dead. And I don't know, is it a good thing or a bad thing? The second thing that's happened, this is all just my opinion, okay, guys, you don't have to believe what I'm saying, is that shopping centers has become empty. I mean, why do people still have to go to a Checkers or to a Pick and Pay or to a Spar or to any of those places if they can pick up the phone and for as little, I think it's 30 Rand or 40 Rand or whatever it is, 60 Rand, you can order everything and they come and deliver it with a motorbike to you. So people don't go to shopping centers anymore, and a lot of shopping centers are, I don't know if it's just me, but look how many shops and shopping centers are going empty, 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 empty. Now, it's because of the trade that used to go in and out there. People used to go to the supermarkets and then have a coffee here and buy a pair of pants there and have a haircut here and do this here and that here. And that's going away as well, eh? So I don't know. Is all these deliveries really doing South Africa and the economy well? Is it really doing well? I know that one of my friends got a job as one of those bike drivers. He couldn't find a job and he got a job like that and he's supporting his family. So I'm sure that's okay. But I don't know about the bigger picture. Then there's something else. If you just order everything in and out and you don't go out anymore and you don't socialize anymore and you don't talk to people physically anymore, all those skills disappear. I mean, look at the young crowd. I mean, one of the biggest complaints that the young crowd has got is that they don't communicate anymore. A young man and a young woman, they WhatsApp and each other and all those kind of stuff. It's not like the old days and our days where you had to woo a woman and take her out for a dinner and seduce her and things like that. They don't have that anymore. The young people have lost the capability to talk to each other properly. And I wonder if this is not all part of it, that we've become so comfortable in life that we're losing out in our humanity. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think. Have a pleasant day. It's quite cold here in Gauteng, surprisingly cold. Have a nice day, guys, and spend time with your family, eh?